Welcome to the next part of the JSON data processor C++ project. So in this particular part, we'll be seeing the filter data function. So filter data is basically we allow filtering from two categories. That is, one is the CGPA, one more is the age. So if it is either of the two, then we can filter it. We'll ask the user to set the minimum criteria or maximum criteria, whatever the way to filter, we will do it. And if it is not in the either CGPA or age, then we say please enter a valid this thing. All right, so let's see the function. Okay, so first, like I said, we first call the load data function. So all the data is loaded properly. Now we have a string called key, and then we prompt the user to enter the key to filter by CGPA or age. Then the user enters. Now if we check if it is not CGPA or not age, if it is either CGPA or age, then we let it. If it is not, then we say invalid key, you can filter only by CGPA or by age. Then we have a string OP, so this is basically operator, and then we ask the user to enter the operator, whatever this particular operator is there. Then the user enters the operator. Then we take the value, so basically whatever the key is there, that is the value. So we ask the user to enter whatever the key is there, and then we take the input as a value. Now, so basically this is the value. Now after that, we have to try and match it with the operator, whatever operator the user has given. Now, so we take for each and every student, and then we take the student value, like basically we have the student value that is with that particular student ID and that key. Now we take boolean, initial boolean match as false. It is not matching initially. Now we check if the operator is greater than. If it is greater than, then we check, we have to output like print only the student value which is greater than the existing value whatever the user has given. That is the criteria. So for example, if this is greater than 8 CGPA, then we have to display only the ones with greater than 8 CGPA. Similarly, this is lesser than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, and all these criteria are there. And then after this is there, if it is matched, then we push it back to students vector, whatever vector we had created students. So we will push it back to that vector. And then we check if the filtered is, it is not empty. If that filtered, whatever this filtered, we push it to the filtered vector. Now we check if it is not empty. If it is not empty, then we display all the students with the filtered, whatever that criteria has passed, we'll enter only the students with that. And then if it is empty, if the filtered is empty, then we say no students found with whatever the criteria you had given. Let me run the program now. So I have to enter filter, I'll enter CGPA. So I have to enter operator. This is my operator. Enter CGPA is 8. Okay, so this basically means the key is CGPA, the operator is greater than, the value is 8. Now it will display only the students with CGPA greater than 8. Okay, so you can see there are 3 students with CGPA greater than 8. One is student ID 1, 3, and followed by 5, and so on. So let me submit the program. This was quite simple as well. Yeah, the test case is passed, and that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.